Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I'll show you how to complete a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online, which can help verify that all of the activities in your bank account are recorded accurately. To successfully reconcile your transactions against your bank statement, the difference between the ending balance and cleared balance should be 0. If the difference isn't 0, I have some troubleshooting tips to help you locate the discrepancies coming up in my next video. From the left-hand side toolbar, hover over Accounting, then click on Reconcile. Depending on your view of QuickBooks Online, you may also find the Reconcile screen under the Transactions tab. Once in the Reconcile screen, choose the bank account you want to reconcile in QuickBooks. Then enter the ending account balance and date from your bank statement. You can also add the service charge and interest earned if they aren't already in QuickBooks. Once you choose the bank account you wish to reconcile from the drop-down menu, you'll see the beginning balance. This is the beginning balance of your bank account, and it must agree with your bank statement. In subsequent months, it'll roll over automatically from the prior month's ending balance. You'll also want to enter the ending balance from your current bank statement and indicate the ending date of your statement period. When you've entered all of the information from your bank statement, click the green Start Reconciling button to continue. The QuickBooks reconciliation screen contains a summary of cleared transactions at the top and a detailed list of transactions at the bottom. The cleared transaction summary includes the statement ending balance and the beginning balance. Those are populated automatically based on the information entered. The cleared balance is calculated by the beginning balance minus payments cleared plus deposits cleared. The sum of the cleared transactions is the difference between the statement ending balance and the cleared balance, which is shown on the right. Next, you have a list of transactions. This includes all of the account's QuickBooks transactions that haven't cleared the bank prior to the statement period. Thus, they should be reconciled. Note that some transactions might not be cleared due to several reasons, such as a duplicate entry or a check that hasn't been cashed. Any transactions that won't be cleared this month will appear again next month. When you see a transaction that shows up on your bank statement that also cleared QuickBooks, click on the radial button on the right side of the transaction. Trace the transactions from the detailed list to your bank statement. When you have a match, click the radial button next to the transaction and place a check mark next to the transaction on your bank statement. When you click the radial button, the transaction will be reflected in the summary of cleared transactions at the top of the screen. To complete the reconciliation process, you must verify that the difference is 0. If it is, then click the green Finish Now button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Now, if the difference is not 0, I recommend that you try to locate transactions that aren't recorded in QuickBooks. If you still can't fix the discrepancy, I will cover troubleshooting tips on finding the difference in a video tomorrow. After clicking Finish Now, QuickBooks will display a confirmation with a link to view the reconciliation report. Click View Reconciliation Report to view the report. The top of the report will display summary information similar to the top of the reconciliation screen. Perhaps the most useful information on the report is the list of uncleared or outstanding checks and deposits, which you'll find at the bottom. Alternatively, if you want to access and review reconciliation reports without going through the reconciliation screen, you can navigate to the Reports tab in QuickBooks. Locate Reconciliation Reports in the Report Center, and QuickBooks will take you to the History by Account screen. Here you can track reconciliation history and access reports at any time. QuickBooks Online is the best business accounting software, and it can help you to ensure the accuracy of your bank transactions with its excellent bank reconciliation feature. You'll be able to identify discrepancies such as bookkeeping errors and omissions. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.